Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. Today I'm sharing with you in this video. Lovely viewers, you will see in this video top 40 plus very creative and trending pebbel stones ideas. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, you will see in this videos modern and creative unique landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, home decorations ideas in 2025. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see new all top creative and trending stylish pebbel stones ideas, rock stone trend, garden decorations ideas, home decorations ideas in 2025. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring modern and stylish unique home decorations ideas, garden decorations trends, rock stones ideas. So viewers, lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so watch my full videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. You will see new all marvelous and stylish and creative unique pebbel stone ideas, rock stone trends, home decor designs. So guys, I made suggested just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see unique, modern and creative home decorations ideas, rock stone trends. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring marvelous and stylish unique home decor designs. So viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Gorgeous and stylish and creative, unique, modern pebbel stones ideas, pathway decoration trends, landscaping ideas. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next video.